In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive in Basecamp. If you've ever archived a message and found that you need to bring it back into action, this guide will walk you through the process with ease and clarity. First, we'll start by navigating to the specific project where the message board with the archived message resides. To do this, go to your Basecamp homepage and select the correct project from your project list. This step is crucial because each project in Basecamp has its own message board, and your archived message is linked to a particular project, not generally to Basecamp itself. Once you're in the chosen project, you're going to access the message board tool. This is where all communications for the project are housed. Look for the message board tab within the project's main navigation area. Clicking on this will bring you to a central hub of communication for that project, including all existing and archived messages. Now that you're on the message board page, you need to scroll down to locate the section labeled Archived. Typically, this section is found towards the bottom of the message board page. Archived messages are kept here for easy reference and retrieval. If you have a sizable list of messages, don't hesitate to use the search function to quickly find the section or even the specific message you want to unarchive. When you find the section, look through the listed archived messages to find the one you wish to restore. Click on this particular message to open it, and you'll be able to see all its previous content. This is a good opportunity to double-check and ensure it's indeed the message you want to unarchive. Once confirmed, look for the Unarchive option. This feature is designed to make restoration simple and straightforward. Clicking on Unarchive will instantly move the message from the archived section back to the active part of your message board, restoring its visibility to everyone involved in the project. And there you have it. With just a few intuitive clicks, you've successfully returned an important message back to the active discussions of your project. Remember, Basecamp's archiving and unarchiving functions are powerful tools, not only for organization, but also for ensuring vital communication isn't lost over time. Practice regularly managing your message boards to maintain clear and efficient project communication. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a quick refresher or when guiding your team through similar tasks. Thanks for joining me today, and happy managing in Basecamp.